Hey guys, this is your aftercare video if you just received window tint on your vehicle here. So there's a couple things to keep in mind after you have gotten window tint applied on your vehicle, and I'm going to go over them with you right now. So the first one being, there's going to be some bubbles. Now if you come in closer here, you're going to see there's some bubbles and some moisture left behind in between the glass and the window tint. Now that is completely normal because we use water and baby soap to apply the window tint to your vehicle. So there is some moisture left behind. It is completely normal. Just let it dry out. It typically takes about 3 to 5 days. It's, if it's really hot out, it could actually take, a little bit less time, maybe a day or two. If it's really, really cold out like it is today, as I'm shooting this video, it's about 20 degrees. It could take at least a week, if not even longer, for some of these water pockets to fully dry out. But just keep in mind that is completely normal. The second thing is you want to just leave the windows rolled up completely. That's just going to make sure that the tint is just bonding to the glass properly. If you roll the window down prematurely, there is a small chance that the tint could just peel up. We don't want that to happen because then the tint would have to be replaced. So just, again, leave the windows up for a few days, let the film cure. Third and final thing is if you want to clean the inside of the glass, you want to use an ammonia free glass cleaner. So an example of that is you go to your automotive parts store and get automotive glass cleaner, or even if you go to Walmart, Target, anything like that, they have a product called Spray Away. I'll actually attach it in the link below. It's a foaming ammonia free glass cleaner. It's really good. It's actually what we use here as well. And it's really cheap and really good. So guys, if you have any other questions about your window tint installation, please give Joel a call, 609-923-3123. All right guys, take care, enjoy your window tint, and we'll see you guys soon.